one of the key areas of study that informs mSwing is the study of fascia. You know, back in the day when anatomists were exploring and dissecting the human body so we could find out all sorts of stuff about it, about its parts, how they related, they'd consistently come across this inconvenient tissue. It was gristly tissue. It was bubbly. It was fatty, and it simply got in the way. And this tissue was almost like packing material in a box. And this packing material was removed, and it was called connective tissue. So when you removed it, you were able to see more clearly the organs and the muscles and the things that you were trying to investigate. Well, that tissue is in fact fascia tissue. But back in the day, it wasn't considered to be all that important. In fact, back in the day, anatomists, not being a particularly well-paid bunch, used to put it in a pan at lunchtime and fry it up for lunch.